In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications on your Shazam app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, if you are receiving a lot of notifications from Shazam app and they are getting annoying, then it's good to go ahead and stop them for once and for all. Now, to do this, you need to access the app information page to be able to stop these pop-up notifications. And you can easily do this through settings. So if I go to settings here and then go and look for the option called apps, go ahead and look for this option called manage apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So for your phone, it might be written manage apps or more apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And then this will go on and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app, and as you can see, my Shazam app is here. Alternatively, you can search for your app here and you should be able to find it. So if I tap on my Shazam app here, you can see we are on the app information page. So if getting to this page is quite tedious for you or it is a long process and you can't find it, let me show you a shortcut method that you can as well use. Now for the shortcut method, just go to your app and instead of tapping on it, just long press on it, and then you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will again take you to the same app information page. From here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. Currently, you can see it is turned to yes. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see all the notifications are on, and this is why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off, you can turn them off one by one like this. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and turn all of them at once when you toggle these show notifications off, and you can see they are all off. Now from here, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications on your Shazam app. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.